Did you see the blueberry?
Yeah, so our plants look healthy after we did
The blueberry.
everything. The blueberries are finally growing leaves. So hopefully they survive this year. Last year it didn't grow anything, huh?
It almost died.
No, it almost died last year. And this is year 3 for this blueberries. So hopefully this one, since we changed our hose to be a soaker instead of normal hose that was spitting out water all over the place, I think this one's better. But all these plants, some of them are basically brand new, except for these guys. The marigolds are doing good, and so as my roses. Look, babe, it's blooming.
I see it.
Even like the marigolds down the driveway is doing really good. For now, that's all I want to plant, just to make sure they're gonna survive this year, because plants can be expensive. But they're looking so good. The lavender, I'm excited for this. It gets rid of mosquitoes and grasshoppers, but now our only problem are the bees.
Honeybees and
You need
bumblebees
to have
are
a
not aggressive. It's the wasps that I fear.
well, you still need to have an EpiPen just to be sure. I'm excited for that. We should still put Christmas light even though it's that tiny.
That's
for
what I said.
Christmas.
Don't put lights in
There's a big one of this spruce tree, but it's like $60-70. So we bought the tiniest one for $15. Is it? Oh, there it is. So our old hose used to just be sprinkling waters at certain spots. But since we replace it with a soak hose, it's just spitting out water everywhere. So hopefully our plants survive better this year.